Tired of constantly sweeping and vacuuming? Let smart technology take over. Robot vacuums are smarter, faster, and more powerful than ever, making them a must-have for every modern home. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, hardwood floors, or thick carpets, today's top models come with AI navigation, powerful suction, auto dust disposal, and app or voice control for hands-free convenience. With advanced features like LiDAR mapping, multi-floor cleaning, and self-charging, these gadgets do all the dirty work while you relax. In this guide, we'll reveal the top 5 robot vacuums that offer smart cleaning, powerful performance. Number 1. Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. The Shark AI Ultra is built for modern homes, featuring advanced matrix clean navigation that ensures deep, methodical cleaning across carpets and hard floors. Perfect for pet owners, it includes a powerful XL self-empty base that holds up to 60 days of dirt, minimizing maintenance. With home mapping and voice control compatibility via Alexa or Google Assistant, it adapts to your schedule and cleans on command. Its AI navigation avoids obstacles and ensures precision in every pass. Designed in a sleek, cool gray finish, this robot vacuum delivers high-performance cleaning, smart technology, and pet-friendly power for effortless floor care in 2025. Number 2. iRobot Roomba Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The iRobot Roomba Y0140 combines powerful vacuuming and mopping in one sleek device, perfect for keeping your floors spotless effortlessly. Equipped with power-lifting suction, it tackles dirt and debris on multiple surfaces, from hardwood to carpets. The smart navigation system cleans in neat rows, ensuring no spot is missed. With its self-charging feature and bagless design, the Roomba saves space and runs with minimal upkeep. Ideal for busy homes, this combo model makes floor cleaning easier by vacuuming and mopping simultaneously. Experience the convenience of smart cleaning technology designed for efficient, thorough floor care in 2025. Number 3. Roborock Qrevo Series Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Roborock Qrevo Series, QV35A, offers impressive 8,000 PA suction power, tackling dirt and debris on all floor types with ease. Upgraded from the Qrevo S, this model features anti-tangle brushes to prevent hair wrap-ups and smart obstacle avoidance for seamless navigation around your home. The innovative auto mop washing system keeps the mops clean, while the 200 RPM spinning mops deliver thorough floor scrubbing. The all-in-one dock streamlines charging, cleaning, and mop washing, making maintenance effortless. Finished in sleek black, the Qrevo series is ideal for those wanting smart, efficient cleaning with advanced tech in 2025. Number 4. Shark Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The Shark AV261WA offers powerful suction combined with advanced Matrix Plus navigation for precise home mapping and thorough cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. Ideal for pet owners, it features a HEPA bagless self-empty base with a generous 60-day debris capacity, minimizing maintenance. The innovative sonic mopping technology scrubs floors deeply while the robot vacuums, delivering dual cleaning in one device. Its smart sensors efficiently avoid obstacles, ensuring seamless operation throughout your home. With a sleek design and smart home compatibility, the Shark AV261WA is a top choice for effortless, pet-friendly floor care in 2025. Number 5. Shark AV2501AE AI Robot Vacuum. The Shark AV2501AE is designed for effortless cleaning with its XL HEPA, self-empty base holding up to 60 days of dirt and pet hair, reducing frequent maintenance. Equipped with precise LiDAR navigation, it maps your home accurately for efficient, thorough cleaning on both carpets and hard floors. This bagless vacuum features advanced AI technology to adapt to your cleaning needs and avoid obstacles smoothly. Compatible with Alexa and Wi-Fi connected, it allows hands-free control and scheduling from anywhere. With a sleek black design and powerful suction, the Shark AV2501AE delivers smart, pet-friendly performance for spotless floors